Hi, this is Wendy from the blog, themountainfarmhouse.com. Welcome to my farmhouse. This farmhouse was built in 1850, or so we were told, and today I'd like to give you a tour of our master bedroom. Here is our bed, and we have just minimal decor in here. And for this year's Christmas season, I just put a little bit of greenery and a pine cone on the nightstands. Each of these nightstands were from IKEA, and I just embellished a little bit. As you can see here, this trim is actually dollhouse trim that I cut with a little tiny dollhouse miter saw. And then we added these bin pulls just to give it a little bit more charm. They were pretty plain. This is a painting done by my grandmother on my father's side. We really had no choice but to put the bed in front of the window, and I actually really like it. The bed is an iron sleigh bed. It came from Charles P. Rogers Company. So it is not an antique, but it does look very antique, and we love that. This print I've had for years. Let's see if I can get it better. And these little nightstand side table lamps are kind of a steampunk look. I think I got them on Amazon years ago. This rocking chair was my mother-in-law's. It belonged to her. She rocked all of our children and her numerous other grandchildren in this chair. And this is a print, a botanical print I got at a secondhand shop. And over here is a watercolor by a local artist of our front porch swing. Coming around in this direction, you can see the doggy bed. He's getting old, so we have a double-decker. There's a little soft memory foam underneath the regular bed. He's a little pampered. And this is our wedding picture and another picture from days gone by, years gone by. I made that years ago, and we've had that in our bedroom, whichever house we've lived in. Now on the windows, I just have a plain sailcloth pair of curtains. I have this kind of macrame looking lace on the bottom. I got that idea from a local restaurant. And then to tie the curtains back, I have these crocheted tie backs, and I have a tutorial for those I'll leave in the description box below. Then over here is my dresser. It's a Victorian highboy. I believe that's what it's called. Maybe not. I just know that it is a Victorian era dresser, and we have silhouettes of our children on the wall. This is the door to our room. Not very exciting. And then that armoire is also for the purpose of clothing storage. And we've come full circle. That's where Joel mostly stores his clothes, and we keep our shoes in the bottom part of it. And we do have a ceiling fan, which I know that's not my preference to have, but to be honest, we don't have air conditioning, and in the summertime there are a few nights when we really need the cooling of a fan, and it's just handy to have that. I think it's one of the nicer looking fans. I mean, if you have to have a ceiling fan, I think this is a nice way to go. We have them in other rooms as well, just for practicality. And here we are. That concludes our farmhouse master bedroom tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I hope you'll come back and visit us again very soon. Bye for now.